I'm Amanda Smith and I'm the UAV Equipment Programme Lead at Sellafield.
And my name is Kevin Young. I am the Indoor UAV Lead at the Idaho Environmental Coalition.
Nuclear it's a different beast altogether when it comes to implementing new technology. For us, the best way was proving that it works, actually getting people to see it, build everybody's confidence, and then the work's just come.
What has helped us in getting the initial use of the Elios 3 drone was to include all of the different departments that have a say in the approval process. Once they were able to see the technology and the capability of the technology, it was easier for them to then carry through a more proactive discussion on how we can make this work. So every hazardous work hour we can reduce, of course, has the benefit of removing employees from hazardous operations, but results in a significant cost savings to the company. A hazardous work hour is a very expensive work hour. So the Elios 3 drone allows us to reduce those hours.
And for us at Sellafield, we've got multiple use cases. I probably haven't got enough time to talk about all of them because every single use case that we've got is beneficial for the company. So we use it on the principle of safer, faster, cheaper. So are we keeping people away from harm? Are we keeping people away from working at height hours? Can we accelerate the programme? So yes, we definitely can.
The features of the Elios drone that were very appealing to us was the cage. First and foremost, we're going into areas that are very full of other obstacles, pipes, conduits, cabling, ventilation ducts. To be able to maneuver safely in those areas is absolutely important for a successful mission. But right behind that was the Elios' ability to be super stable, which led to a rapid capability for our pilots to quickly be able to master the flight of the Elios 3. So the stability of the Elios 3 and the cage were the two primary factors that we really were impressed with. The Elios 3, of course, now is carrying this dosimeter into locations, which will help avoid radiation technicians, radcon technicians, from receiving unnecessary dose.